Me and my friend here is stuck on the street wall of Chinese.
Ocean, restaurant Chinese.
Yeah, restaurant. There. East Ocean. There's a car. There's a driver, and
My
then the rain is falling down to earth. And we have Coke energy drink.
Just sleepy na.
Yes. I'm single. Don't forget to buy food court. Oh, there's a guy there. He's walking down the street to wet in the rain. There's a tree. There's a two. There's a one. The umbrella is there. But no man and no girl.
Para tayong loko dito.
Alright. Na 7-Eleven. May shooting kasi kami ang title. Kapag puno ng tiyan, iutot mo lang. Kasi kanina doon kami kumain, sa restaurant na yun. Ang mahal doon. Hindi kami tinanggap doon kasi puro, yung pera namin, puro buo. Wala silang, barya. Ay, lumipat kami rito. Yan, 7-Eleven. Bukas, punta kami sa video. Ay, mag-withdraw kami. Meron pa naman yung item ko, mga 1,000 yun siguro. Ang panggasolina ng motor, 200.
Kulong pa sa condo.
Bibili pati kami ng motor, yung may aircon. Makain at naghahaponan. Mas lalo na kami.
Gutom na kayo, mas lalo kami.
Kung gutom kayo, mas lalo na kami. Hapon pa kami hindi kumakain. Baka may ulam kayo dyan. Tapunan nyo kami.
Eto yun na.
Nakaupo. Ang kulang na lang sa amin, lata. Para maglilius kami. Maawa na po kayo. Pangkain lang po. Para maligaw sa girl. English. Sabi mo, when I look into your eyes, you look at to me and smile. Yes. Where are you now? All along tonight, I'm calling out your name. Please forgive me. Come back to me. Yeah. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. This is the day, not the rainy day. Come back to me, Argentina. Please forgive me. Oh my goodness.